What if I told you the greatest conquerors in history weren't the ones who ruled with an iron fist, but with respect? Today, we unravel a forgotten lesson from the past: how to truly win a woman's heart without breaking her spirit. More than just a story, this is a warning men ignore until it's too late, and the secret to a love that lasts. Welcome to Historical Stories, where the past isn't just remembered, it's lived. The secret to winning a woman's heart. You may have never heard this story before. A man was beating his wife with a stick when an elderly man passed by and said, "Why are you hitting her like this? A woman is struck by another woman." The husband didn't understand, but the wife grasped it immediately. Yet there is an even better way to strike a woman. Strike her with respect. Whoever unravels this secret achieves true victory. Why does a man resort to violence against a woman? Only so she molds herself to his will, so that when he says sit, she sits in fear. When he commands stop, she freezes like stone. Yes, she will submit. Out of fear that her man will hurt her, she obeys, acting exactly as he desires. But with every blow, she closes the doors of her heart. She becomes a machine. The man, drunk on his victory, boasts among friends, twirling his mustache, lecturing about taming the wildcat on the first day. Yet he fails to realize he has already lost, utterly defeated, like checkmate in chess. But the story doesn't end there. Time moves forward. When this same man grows old, he crumbles. Now he doesn't need a machine. He needs a compassionate companion, a tender confidant, but he has already conquered her in his youth, leaving behind only hollow obedience. However, the man who strikes her with respect, who loves her, honors her, endures her storms, stands firm when needed but also forgives, he is the true victor. If her relatives wrong him, he doesn't take revenge on her. If anger flares, he cools it with an embrace. If he errs, he humbles himself to reconcile. What happens then? His ego is bruised, his masculinity questioned. Do friends mock him as whipped? Number this man remains the conqueror, the greatest of all. Indeed, the most profound psychologist in human history, the noble prophet, peace be upon him, said, "A woman is created from a bent rib. If you try to straighten her, she will break." The meaning is clear. Force and dominance will shatter her, but love and respect will win her. She is the kind of mad who will drink the water washed from your feet, lay down her life for your name, live her years in devotion to you. And you will be the true conqueror. Conclusion: the true victory. The greatest conquest is not in bending a woman to your will, but in winning her heart. A man who rules with fear may command obedience, but he will never know loyalty. The one who strikes with respect, who loves fiercely, forgives gently, and stands unshaken in his dignity, does not weaken himself. Instead, he gains a companion who will walk through fire for him, not out of fear, but because she chooses to. In the end, life humbles every man. The tyrant is left with hollow submission, while the wise man is held close by a woman who remembers every kindness, every patience, every moment he chose her over his pride. That is the real victory. That is the mark of a true man. So tell me, would you rather be feared or loved? Drop a comment below. Respect if you believe true strength is in kindness, or power if you think control wins. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Historical Stories for more untold wisdom from the past. Because history isn't just about dates, it's about choices that echo forever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.